Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Just a quick update here. We wanted to show you we got a pretty good short position going on right now. We have Apple, and the other day, watch that video, put a great video out on why I think this is topping out and why I have a targeted range in this green sell zone of 82 to $122. We took out 9 shorts shorting the shares because of this pattern that we're in. We're about to break down out of this rising wedge, and we know rising wedges are bullish continuation patterns, but bearish reversal patterns at the top. And you can see it forms this duck's beak. It's wider at the beginning, narrower at the end. And you can see often you'll notice a rounding top, as you see here, as the buyers or the bulls become exhausted and the sellers or the bears take over the market, and the price is going to come down. And your technical target out of this pattern right here is the bottom of the wedge, which is down here at that green line of $115. And from the current price, we have our shorts in. It pumped a little bit. They're at $155 that we bought them at right in here somewhere, because we'll pull it off, but we're right in here somewhere. And then we think we're going to make 25 to 30% on this push down to the downside, as your first underneath target is the bottom of this wedge. And I think you're coming to the bottom of this wedge, right? So that's what we're looking at there. Oh, the price is falling pretty quickly now, so it's actually getting closer to our entry price, because we started shorting yesterday, and then the price pumped, and now it's coming back down. But as soon as you break this key uptrending support, you're breaking down, right? As soon as you break this with volume, the $156 mark, let's make that a nice green color. As soon as you break that 156, you're coming down here to the $112 mark, right? You're coming all the way down there to the 112. And if you zoom out even farther in this pattern that we've been diagnosing, sniffing out, and detecting, you can see Apple's been in this huge, it's been around forever. We got to go to the monthly. It's been in this huge rising channel or rising wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern, but a bearish topping reversal at the end of it, but they can go up for quite some time. And you can see now we're coming up near the end of it. And the technical target out of that is too long ago with all the reverse splits. But I think a great eventual crash bottom is all the way up here. Let's put our horizontal array is all the way here eventually. You could come out of it. Nobody could ever see that coming down, but a $7 Apple price is really like a $78 Apple price for all the splits they've had, right? But it ain't going to come down that far. But I think you could come way down here and retest uh, the 2008 top where you pumped up and then you had a dump, right? I think you could come retest that. But my initial breakdown price is $115, and that's where my shorts are going to go to. And we have 9 of them, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. And then we're shorting Tesla, which we're barely in the money right now, but you can see Tesla too. Its chart looks horrible. This would seem like it has massive amounts of room to run to the downside. And you can see right now we fell down. Then we had a big 13% pump yesterday after we were way in the money. It didn't blow us out of our position, because we know as soon as we get rejected by this overhead moving average and this white support, this white upper resistance that you're struggling at now, you're going to trade down to your next lower support. And as soon as you break this area, the 860 mark, and you break back into this falling channel, you're coming all the way down to 691. And that is my target to buy back into the open market and take the spread. And that's 25% there. And you can see these trades we got going on. We have Apple, we have 9 shorts or $1,400 worth right now. And we have an entry price of $155.65. And then we have Tesla, which we're in the money by barely 0.12%, an entry price of $891. Yesterday we were up $100 before the big rally. That was to be expected, but we didn't short. So you can see we have 36, $4,000 on the shorts right now. And we're trying to make some phenomenal 25% gains for 50% total profit there, which would be phenomenal. And we're going to keep updated on that. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.